Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my life for IRT, and today I'm gonna unbox this UGreen card reader I got from Amazon. Cost about 15 euro. Let me check. It was only 14 euros. Alright, let's open it and see what's inside. Very simple. Here's the card reader. And then you got thank you card. If you have any question or need any help, our friendly customer service team is always here for you. Just send us an email. Okay, I already have a menu with 6 different languages. Let's read in English. Thank you for purchasing. USB 3.0 plug and then a bunch of card slots. Yeah, there's not much to it. It's a very simple, straightforward card reader. There's nothing complicated about it. You just plug it in, put card inside, and you're done with it. So here it is, card reader. It looks pretty good. Build quality is good. Cable seems very solid. And we're gonna try out the speed. Until now, I've been using this little card reader. It's very crappy, made in China stuff I brought from China. It's very old as well, so it's not very fast. Usually when I upload the video to from my card to the PC, it's like 20 megabytes. Speed is very slow. And let's see with the new card reader how fast it's going to be. Plug it in. Okay. Alright, let's check out the speed. Oh my god, that was so fast. I didn't even capture the transfer. Alright, let's transfer another file here. Not here. It's here. Copy and paste. Oh, it is fast. It is 90 megabytes per second. So it is super fast. Took like 2-3 seconds to transfer about 400 megabytes data. So yeah, I'm happy about it. Good purchase. Only 14 euros. Doing another test. Right now I'm just copy pasting some random video file into the SD card. As you can see, the writing speed is almost 80, maybe 90 megabytes per second. But I'm using a card that can read up to 170 megabytes per second. So we're gonna test to copy it from the card into the computer later and see how fast it goes. Alright, now I'm copying from the card to the computer and we'll see the speed of the card. It is still 90 megabytes per second. Do you see this? It's not faster. The card says 170 megabytes per second, but when I'm actually copying stuff from the card to the computer, it's still 90 megabytes per second. So I don't know, false advertising on the card, or maybe I did something wrong. Did another test and I think it may be limited by the hard drive itself. So I was copying from SD card to the HDD, and now I'm copying it to the SSD. So as you can see here, it was super fast. It was over 1 gigabyte per second, and then dropped to very low to 90 megabytes per second. But still, it's much faster than transferring to HDD. Let me show you again. Here, drag and drop. Continue. There. Look at the speed. Oh, now it's slow. I don't know why. Hold up. It was so fast at first. Skip this file. Alright, let's delete this And we're gonna try again. Oh man, really? The speed is the same? Okay, I'm gonna transfer them to another external SSD. As you can see here, the initial speed is super fast and then it drops to 90 megabytes per second. I don't know why. I don't know why it is so. You can see the speed here. Weird, but yeah.